Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So talking about the new LayerEdge updates. Some days back they posted on their X page about season 2, about the phase 2 airdrop starting. So you can see on their X page just yesterday, there you go. The LayerEdge incentivized testnet phase 2 is live until 22nd March. So which means that the phase 1 ended February 28th. So this is currently phase 2, where you have to explore the new tasks, proofs page, start completing tasks, submit your proofs and endpoints. And this phase 2 ends on the 22nd of March. So join me as I show you how to perform this task, get this proof and mint the OG pass. So you see the mint is live for 30 hours only. So by the time you're watching this video, I guess you'll be having almost 48 hours to perform this mint. So we're back to the LayerEdge dashboard. So I'm mining this LayerEdge on my MetaMask dApps browser. So you can, if you've not started mining or running the LayerEdge node, my link will be in the description for you to run it. And I'm Crypto Insider. If you're new to this channel, do to click the subscription button and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on your post notifications so you can get lots more videos from me. And if you've been watching my videos, thank you, and continue watching my videos. If at the end of this video you have any question, the comment section will be open. I also have a Telegram group where I post a lot of crypto alpha and daily tasks. So do to click the Telegram link in my description and join my Telegram link. So let's dive in. So we're going over to these 3 lines here at the upper right corner. Let's click on it. You'll be seeing tasks, proofs, and mint. These are the new things that have been added to the LayerEdge. Then you can see day streak. I'm currently at day 25. So if you've not been following up with your streak, try to do that. So let's go back to tasks. I'll show us some of the tasks. So as you can see, so one of the tasks here, complete tasks. One is to mint an OG Pledge Pass that will give you 3x boosts, and also said they can get 100% of mint fees refunded at TG. So this OG pass costs $2 to perform. You will need Ethereum on the base chain to do that, while just the Pledge Pass is free. So if you're able to mint any of them, you have to verify them over here for the task to be completed. Then over here I will show us how to submit a proof. Then we'll run a browser-based light node. We're already doing this. I'll just show us how to claim its points. So this other task here, link your CLI Lite client to your wallet, is still coming soon, so it is not yet active. So let's go back so I can show us how to perform some of these tasks. So we're starting with minting an OG or a Pledge Pass. So let's go back to mint here. So that's mint a Pledge Pass now. Say mint ends in 38 hours, 34 minutes and 9 seconds. So choose a pass you would like to mint. So you see, to mint a Pledge Pass, this one costs 0.0098, which is approximately $2, and it has to be ETH on the base chain. Then while the Pledge Pass over here is free, so but you still have to pay a little token of almost $0.0001 or $2 for it to be able to pay the network fees. So it's not so expensive, and this is not financial advice, so you mustn't really have to spend for you to from this airdrop. You can do the free one if you don't have the funds to do it, and you can also do the mint OG if you have the funds to do it. But I'll be doing both of them, and I will show you how to do that. So before now, ensure that your wallet is funded with Ethereum on base chain. At least have $2.5 worth of Ethereum on base chain. I bought Ethereum from my Bybit account and I sent it to my wallet using the base network, and base network just costs $0.66. So it's quite cheap. It's for up to $1. So let's mint the OG Pledge Pass. Just click on it. Once you click it, you switch your network from Ethereum to Base. You can see Base now active over here. So just click again for a transaction to complete. Transaction pending. So this will pop up for anybody who is using the who is minting with the OG pass. So you can see it just costs $2. So, and this is the fee. So let's just confirm. This is the estimated charges. Confirm again. So you can see success. You have successfully minted the OG pass. Check your wallet's listing. I can see here it's written minted. So let's mint the free pledge pass. It's almost the same thing. This is free. It also costs up to $2. But you just need to pay network fees. So let's confirm. So transaction submitted. So we'll just wait for it to become successful. Transaction complete. So I guess it's successful now. Okay, still showing transaction pending, but I think it has been approved. So we'll go over to the proof. Let's move over here. We'll go over to proof. So for the proof, just to prove that you're not a bot, so you can type in anything at all. So I'll typing in this: I am human, not a bot. Sorry, a bot. So this is it. Then send proof. So you can actually type in anything, then you just sign. I'm submitting a proof for LayerEdge. You can see proof already submitted and see the time. So another important thing is where to generate the proof card. So this is currently having challenges now, but there are already two options. When I've been trying to generate since it has not worked, but yes, you've submitted your proof. So once you click on generate proof card, you can decide to save it to your gallery on Share on X. So you can do any of that. Let's go back. Let's check if this has minted, so we can complete the task. Okay, you can see minted. So this is minted. So let's go to the task so we can verify this task here. So we have to verify all of this one by one so that you can mark that we've completed the task and we can get the boosts available. So let's verify that we've minted this. So we have to access our wallet to check that we actually have it in the wallet. Easy, you can see completed. So repeat the same thing for this. Verify SBT, sign, and it writes complete, and then you claim the points. Completed. So let's check for the proof. We've already submitted the proof. So that's the ZK proof that everyone's talking about. So let's verify that too. Completed. So if yours writes failed, just try it again. Now you see that to be completed. And this run a browser-based light node is basically what we've been doing since phase one. That's turning on and off our nodes, and also everybody has already done this if you've been mining layer edge. So let's do this. So as you can see, we've completed all the new tasks. This last task, link your CLI Lite client to your wallet, is not yet available. This is the task points. This is the badge for those that minted the OG Pledge Pass. So this is it. You can see it coming soon. So whenever is there, I will get to notify us that this task is available. So you can join my Telegram channel so you can be part of those that will get notified early when this task is available. So let's return back to the dashboard. So this is it. We are done with the task. You can see the 3x boost is applied here because I minted two. The superior one is here. So if you minted the free one, you can find out that it should be the one you minted that will be here. So this is not financial advice for you to spend this amount of money in this layer if you don't, because you don't know the outcome. So I did it because I can afford it, and I have risked what I can lose. And they say that every fee spent on this is refundable. So thank you for watching this video. Do well to like, subscribe, and share. Every link you need will be in the description. So my Telegram link will be in my description. If you have more questions, or if you need anything, or if you have any challenge doing this, let me know in the comment section. If you enjoy this video, let me know in the comment section. See you next time.